You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too
So we're gonna do a little walk around of where the 350Z sits at right now. It's been about 8 months since I bought the car, and I have the wide body kit on, I have the vinyl all done. I don't have wheels yet, the suspension is still stock, and I did install this seat. But let's go ahead and go around the car and check it out. The car sits currently. You can see the wrap is all done, the kit's on. It's got pretty monster truck fitment, but overall pretty happy with how it turned out. It's kind of a rainy day today, so unfortunately can't see the sun, but you can see the wrap kind of turned out pretty cool. The color shift is good. The swoop is a little more subtle than I was hoping it would be, but kind of see it there. And then I have fixed up the headlights a little bit so that they're a little bit clearer. Painted some of the grill and stuff like that of the Rocket Bunny kit. And then with this, unfortunately it's not super clear, but you can see there's like black inlays here. I did that for the front bumper. There's black inlays on these as well. And then this is from me hitting cones when I'm drifting. The bumper is just hitting it and then poking it out, unfortunately. So I'll have to repair that. And here's this side. So you can see the fitment is pretty high right now. That did save me when I went spun out and went up the hill. At the last drift day. But yeah, aside from that, there's a few pieces I still need to put on, like the rear diffuser, and I do have the front lip as well. But the front lip, honestly, like my car is already scraping when I come out of the driveway, so I don't really want to put that on until I do some kind of suspension changes. So I'm hoping or thinking about doing air suspension with this again, stealing some of the parts from the Geo and putting it on here. So with that, I'll just need to I have all the air management, I just need to get bags for it. But this is kind of how the car sits right now. I do want to put that rear diffuser on and get that lip on. I think that, like, as you can see with the kind of rear of the car, it looks pretty stock. And so, like, the rear diffuser will just add a little bit to that and make it look a little bit more aggressive. And then eventually also getting new wheels and building those out. So that's kind of the exterior of the car right now. I still want to do some things like paint the door handles. I want to paint those black just because the silver kind of sticks out too much. And that's about it for the exterior. I might want to do something with the hood as well, either just vinyl wrap over the carbon fiber or get a new hood at some point. This carbon fiber is like the paint, or not the paint, but like the clear coat or the epoxy or whatever is kind of fading and coming up in some spots. So it's basically the hood's kind of done. And then interior wise, I installed this Thrash Racing seat. It's been amazing. The last drift day, it really held me in very well. And I got some Street Faction seat rails for it, which are very, very low, which is great. I don't think my seat can go any lower because it will actually just hit the floor. I do have the head unit in, and I'm getting ready for another drift day next weekend. But as far as the interior goes, I definitely want to get a new steering wheel, shift knob and stuff like that. You can see my temporary drift button right now so that I can use the e-brake. And then I want to kind of like redo some of these parts because they just look really bad right now. So what I might do is like try vinyl wrapping them just for fun, or if that doesn't turn out too well, then I'll just paint them. They're pretty small, but you can kind of see the paint, like I can scratch it off, like whatever that rubbery paint is. So it's really bad. And then the back, I've taken out the exterior just so I can fit more stuff in there for drift days. I'll probably want to keep the interior on the front, but still take out the exterior and then get some kind of like sound deadening for the exterior and finish it up so that it looks like kind of together, even though I've taken out all the plastics and stuff like that. So that's the plan for that. So overall, I'm super happy with how the car's looking right now. Aside from wheels and fitment, the exterior is like looking awesome. I absolutely love it. The Rocket Bunny kit's pretty cool. A lot of people have it, obviously, but I like it a lot better than kind of the stock 350Z look. So yeah, it's been super fun so far to have it. It's my first wide body car. I'm running with like massive spacers in the rear right now, and smaller spacers in the front. So I need to actually get some wheels and build them and stuff like that. Some 3-piece wheels. So that's kind of where it stands right now. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see next. I'll be filming my next drift day, so I'll be posting some clips from that. And that's the car. See ya.